Hello, little friends. Welcome back to our fun alphabet adventure. Today, we've reached the very last letter in our alphabet journey. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's the letter Z. Z is the 26th letter of the alphabet, and it starts some zippy words. Let's learn the interesting new words that starts with alphabet Z. Zucchini is a green vegetable that looks like a small, smooth cucumber. It can be long or short, and it has a shiny, dark green skin. Inside, it's tender and light green. Zucchini is very healthy and can be eaten cooked or raw. You can slice it up and add it to salads, or cook it in soups and stir-fries. It's also yummy when baked or grilled. Zucchini is fun to eat and a great way to add some extra veggies to your meals. Try it and see how tasty and versatile it can be. A zip is a special tool that helps keep clothes and bags closed. It looks like a long, thin strip with tiny metal or plastic teeth that snap together. To use a zip, you pull a small piece called a zipper pull along the strip. This makes the teeth come together and hold things in place. When you want to open it, you pull the zipper pull the other way, and the teeth separate. Zips are found on jackets, backpacks, and many other things. They help keep our things secure and are easy to use. Ziploc bags are special plastic bags that close with a zipper. They help keep food fresh and prevent spills. You can open and close them by pressing the zipper strip together. The zipper has a small, flat edge that seals the bag tight, so air and liquids can't get in or out. To use, just place your items inside, press the zipper edges together, and slide your fingers along the strip to seal it. They come in different sizes for various needs, like snacks or toys. Ziploc bags are handy for keeping things safe and organized. A zester is a kitchen tool used to remove the outer layer of fruits like lemons and oranges. This outer layer is called zest and has a lot of flavor. The zester has a handle and a metal part with tiny, sharp holes. When you rub the fruit against this part, it scrapes off the colorful zest. This zest can be used to add a yummy flavor to cakes, cookies, and drinks. A zester helps make your food taste extra special. Just remember to be careful because the zester is sharp and should be used with an adult's help. A zebra is a type of animal that lives in Africa. It looks like a horse but has very special stripes. These stripes are black and white and help the zebra blend into the tall grass where it lives. Zebras are very social and like to live in groups called herds. They eat grass and sometimes leaves. Each zebra has a unique pattern of stripes, just like our fingerprints. They use their stripes to help each other recognize and stay close to their friends. Zebras are fun to watch because they run fast and play with each other in the wild. Zest is a bright and flavorful part of a fruit. When you see zest, it's the colorful outer peel of fruits like lemons, oranges, and limes. Zest is used to add a burst of fresh taste to dishes and desserts. Imagine the outside of a lemon. It's not just for looks, it has a strong, tangy flavor that can make your food taste even better. To get zest, people carefully grate or peel off the outer layer of the fruit. It's a bit like getting the best part of a fruit to make everything extra yummy.